YTF, hey, look on. TWF, hey, look on.
Taking place across Northeast where all the regional parties are coming closer. So how strong will it be? Because there has been earlier also such attempt, but
this attempt will be much better than any other attempts before. We are all we are divided as Hindus, Christian, Buddhists. But when we go out of Northeast, nobody knows whether you're a Meitei or a Kuki. Nobody knows whether you're a Ahom or you're a Bodo or a Dimasa or a Karbi or a Riang or a Jamati or a Deb Burma or a Mizo, right? But when we go outside, because we are divided, people take advantage of us, exploit us, and because we have been divided, all our lands which have gas, oil, petrol, tea gardens, cement, uranium, we are exploited. So I think the time has come where we don't think as Khasi, Garus and Jaintiyas, Bodos, Dimasas, Tiprasas, we come together and we speak in one voice for one Northeast. Northeast needs also a voice which speaks in a singular way, and I think that we should all get together and do so. I have seen this in Nagaland. Mr. Rio has now united, he's trying to unify all the Naga parties, and I will try to do the same with other parties in the Northeast. And why not come together and speak in one voice?